Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix low volume issue on your Huawei MatePad 12X.
Fix 1. Check and increase system volume. Step 1. Press the volume up button to ensure the sound is at maximum. Step 2. Go to Settings, Sounds, Volume, and increase media, notifications, and system volume. Step 3. Play any video or song to test the sound output. Fix 2. Disable Do Not Disturb and Sound Enhancers. Step 1. Go to Settings, Notifications, Do Not Disturb, and make sure it's turned off. Step 2. Then open Settings, Sound and Vibration, Sound Effects. Step 3. Turn off any equalizer or smart volume options that might limit loudness. Fix 3. Clean the speaker grills. Step 1. Power off your tablet. Step 2. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to clean the speaker holes gently. Step 3. Avoid using sharp objects that can damage the speaker mesh. Fix 4. Reset sound settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Reset all settings. Step 2. Confirm and wait for the reset to complete. Step 3. Restart your tablet and test the sound again. Fix 5. Update your software. Step 1. Go to Settings, eSystem and Updates, Software Update. Step 2. Tap Check for updates and install if available. Step 3. After updating, reboot your tablet to apply improvements.